What's up, YouTube? Today I want to make a quick video on how to set the clock on a 2019 Kia Sportage LX. Well, there's two ways to do it. As you can see, if you hit clock, it will show you the clock basically. And as you can see, you have setup. So the long way will be the setup. So if you go into your setup and you'll see right here say clock and calendar, you click on it and it will come out. As you can see, it will come out. Okay, then you'll basically set it up there. Okay, your date, put 24 hours if you want. Now if you want to do it the quick way, you see where it say clock, you hold it down for a couple seconds and it goes right into the settings, and there you'll change the time. Pretty easy, and hopefully this is helpful to anybody that needs help to set up their clock back or forward. It's pretty cool how you can touch it and it change. Well, like and subscribe, and thank you.